Rokid AR Joypack, consisting of Rokid Max AR glasses and Rokid Station, brings a personal and portable Android TV experience that allows you to watch your favorite content on the most popular streaming platforms like YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, and others. However, the Joypack has a lot more features that I think make it an awesome AR experience that I wanted to share with you in this video. First of all, I like the presentation. The Joypack comes in a few different boxes and you get everything you need to get started. In the Rokid Max box, you get the glasses, a blackout cover, USB Type-C cable, nose pads, a carrying case, user manual, and a cleaning cloth. In the Rokid Station box, you get the device itself, USB-C and USB-C to micro HDMI cables, and some paperwork. The remote comes with just user manual. Before we begin, it's not an easy task to film and convey the entire experience using any AR glasses. Filming through the glasses doesn't depict real-life experience. You simply need to try these glasses yourself, and if you're interested, you'll find all the links and show notes in the video description down below. In a nutshell, Rokid Max glasses allow you to see a tack-sharp and vivid 215-inch screen right in front of your eyes, so you can take this massive screen with you wherever you want and watch your favorite content privately, as the glasses have 90% light leakage reduction. The Rokid Max also has HDCP support, which is essential for streaming content without limitations. Two Sony Micro OLED 1080p displays allow you to see picture that can reach brightness up to 600 nits, and its Sparsy 120Hz refresh rate, which definitely helps when watching content like sports or playing games on your phone. The viewing experience could be compared to high-quality laser projector, but it is more immersive and, well, dynamic if you use the head tracking feature, so the screen stays in front of your eyes all the time. When you're out and about, you can clearly see through the glasses, so you're always aware of your surroundings. However, if you are at home, I suggest you use the supplied blackout cover so you can watch content without any distractions and light coming into your eyes. In addition, the built-in directional speakers are really good. For instance, you can hear the dialogues in movies clearly, but the sound does not leak to others. That means that you have a personal audio-visual cinema experience right in front of you. I found the design and build quality to be great. The Rokid Max looks almost like a regular pair of glasses. They are not too bulky and they weigh just 75 grams. The glasses are comfortable to wear for hours, doesn't matter if I'm at home or outside. It is nice to see a built-in 0 to 6 myopia adjustment so you can see clear visuals without corrective lenses if you are nearsighted. We have a volume rocker as well as a brightness button, which also doubles as a 2D and 3D mode switch. The Rokid Max also has two noise-canceling microphones, AI voice control, and a set of sensors that includes enhanced 9-axis IMU, 3D OF head tracking, and wearing detection. There are a couple of ways to use Rokid Max glasses. The easiest way is by connecting them to the Rokid Station using the provided USB Type-C to micro HDMI cable. The Rokid Station is a standalone streaming box that avoids any compatibility issues, and it offers an intuitive Android TV experience right in front of your eyes. In fact, this is the world's first Google-certified Android TV device for AR glasses. Because I have a television set with Android TV, I feel right at home as the user interface is exactly the same. In fact, you can connect it to any monitor and make it smart. You get access to most popular streaming platforms including YouTube, Prime Video, Apple TV, Disney+, and so on, and you can download more apps from the Google Play Store. The UI is fast, responsive, and easy to use, and there are some basic settings to play with. Because it's a standalone device, you can connect a Bluetooth keyboard for productivity and save your phone's battery. The Rokid Station has a built-in 5000 mAh power bank that provides 5 hours of usage and a 7-day standby time, so you can use it while charging, and it doubles as a power bank to charge your phone or other devices. You can control the Rokid Station using the built-in buttons, and I found this to be the most intuitive way. However, if you want to tuck it away and control the device wirelessly, the remote control comes in handy. Further, you can cast any content wirelessly just like you would do on any Android TV. Overall, Rokid Station is a really awesome little device that fits a full Android TV experience right in your pocket. Another way of using the Rokid Max glasses is with your phone. First, you need to connect the provided USB Type-C cable to the glasses, and then you can connect them directly to your phone and use glasses as an external display. That doesn't require any additional software, as you simply mirror what's on your phone screen. I've tested this feature with quite a few phones, including the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, the iPhone 15 Pro Max, and the iPhone 15 Pro. There is absolutely no lag and the experience is great. In fact, you can use Rokid Max to view spatial videos recorded with the latest iPhone 15 series phones. The gaming experience is also great, as seeing the gameplay on a massive screen in front of your eyes is more immersive and cable connection assures zero delay. The Rokid Max glasses are also compatible with other devices. For instance, I use them as an external display for my MacBook Air for video editing, which is pretty incredible. You have a 215-inch screen that fits into your pocket. To unleash the full potential of the Rokid Max, the phone has to have USB Type-C port with DisplayPort and OTG support. You can check compatible devices list on Rokid's website and you'll find it in the video description down below. Once you have a compatible device like the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, the Rokid AR app has a dedicated AR space with plenty of features. On the home screen, you can see the apps, you can access your files, videos and pictures, or access some of the online video streaming services via the Cinema app. You can also browse the web, download new apps from the Rokid AR store, and so on. Your phone's display acts as a trackpad, but you can also use it as a pointer device if you turn on the 3D OF array mode. The general display setting is that it tracks your head movements, but you can also leave it in one place if you wish so. There are also some other settings related to display, sound, voice controls, and so on. Overall, Rokid AR Joypack is really awesome and I've enjoyed using it for a while now. I love the picture quality, design and comfort, plenty of connectivity options, and ease of use. Everything is pretty much plug-and-play experience. All things considered, the Rokid AR Joypack has been working great so far, and the ability to watch your favorite content on a massive screen that you can take with you wherever you want is definitely the key selling point to me. Check out Rokid Max AR glasses Black Friday deals that include a limited time offer of $299 starting from November 20th until November 27th. You'll find all the links in the video description down below. What do you think about the Rokid AR Joypack? Also, what do you think about the AR glasses in general? Tell me in the comment section down below what you think. Also, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.